It's my very first Dior Beauty unboxing of the year, and I got this, and this in just one order. All three boxes are free gifts, and there's a few more free gifts inside, so I'm very excited. This is probably one of the best one yet. If you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Excited to show you all these goodies. If you are new here, my name is Kristen, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I am very dedicated to helping you maximize your Dior Beauty shopping experience by sharing with you the best deals and promo codes available out there. So if you don't want to miss any of these great deals, please consider subscribing and like this video so many more Dior Beauty lovers could see it and enjoy the same perks. All right, let's get started. Let me just turn my camera so I could show you what's inside these boxes. All right, here we go. Very excited. Okay, let's start with the smallest one right here. This is what I'm very excited about. And it is the gold jewelry pouch. Here it is. And this feels very solid. This part is hard, and so is this. And it has this little drawstring here to keep your jewelry secure. There you go. Super nice. Next, we have this blue box here, and if you've seen my promo code video, this is a Sauvage discovery kit, and this is awesome for regifting for your husband, brother, father. Here we go. Wow, this is a thrifty gift. And it has this mini comb. Look at that. I think this is a wood material. Very nice. I might actually keep the comb for myself. And we have here 10 ml Sauvage EDP or EDT. This is an EDT. And this the Sauvage moisturizer. There you go. Very pretty in blue box. Look at that. That is our second gift with purchase. Now let's go on the third one. And by the way, the promo code for this is selfcare72. It's still available for your minimum purchase of $175. And this one I've showed you last time because I received this as well as a gold welcome gift. It is this Miss Dior atomizer, and thank you, one of you told me that I would see which Miss Dior fragrance this is. This is the Blooming Bouquet EDT. I love the subtle scent. I really enjoy it. And this is the drawstring. Again, perfect for traveling, especially if you're going to the beach. You can put your wet stuff here after swimming because this is a nylon material. Or just use it as an organizer when packing for vacation. So that's our third gift so far. And now for the actual stuff that I ordered. My box didn't come with a ribbon, but at least it's the actual holiday gift box. Let's start with the gifts. Alright, more free gifts here. Oh, this is actually a free gift right here. Another Sauvage. And I believe this is the same size of the one from the kit, which is 10 ml. So this is the parfum. Next free gift we have here. Well, actually, there's not much choices. I believe when I placed the order, these were the only ones that were left. So we have here a mini lipstick. You know what? I'm so scared to open this because I always dent it. Careful, please. There you go. This is a super red one. Okie dokie. And I got a couple of samples. Again, I think these were the only ones left when I placed my order. So I have Sauvage Parfum and the Miss Dior Parfum. Okay, now for the actual stuff that I bought. Super excited about this because I got new colors of the Dior Lip Glow. And if you've been watching my videos, you know that this is where most of my money go whenever I shop at the Dior Beauty website. I always buy lip gloss. So I got, like I've said, I chose bold colors this time. So I have this 900 Berry and the 073 Blackberry. Oh my gosh, very excited to use this. Look at that. Wow. And we have here the Blackberry. OMG. Wow. And I also picked a different color for my lip maximizer. And it is, ta-da! This is the 024 Intense Brick. OMG. You know what? Let's swatch them. So this is the Intense Brick. There it is. Wow. I love how it glides. Now, let's try the Berry Lip Glow. You won't see as much. And I think this is what I love about lip glow. They're not too intense. And at the same time, it moisturizes your lips. So far, the brick is really intense. Now, let's try the Blackberry. Okay, that's not too dark to be honest. But it's darker than what I usually use. I usually use the 001, so these are definitely bold choices for 2025. So there you have it. And the other two items I have for the first time, this is the first actual Dior fragrance that I bought. So there it is. This is actually bigger than what I have expected. I thought it would be smaller than this. So there you go. Wow, this is actually big. I expected something like way smaller for some reason. There you go. And this is a very pretty bottle. Look at that. Wow. So there you go. My very first Dior fragrance is the Miss Dior Rose and Roses. Pretty. And last but not the least, this is what I'm talking about last time, because this actually came out as a gift with purchase. For your minimum purchase of $300, Hello 2025, you will receive this and a rose quartz comb. But I already got this, so I just say pass to that gift with purchase. But this is the Miss Dior Hair Mist. I'm very excited to use this. Almost the same size as the roller. This is the roller, and this is the hair mist. And same bottle, pretty much. Wow, beautiful. So I bought 5 products in total. I have the Miss Dior Mist, Miss Dior Rose and Roses Roller, my new Lip Maximizer Intense Brick, which I actually use it, and 2 of the lip glows with a super bold color choices. But so far I love them, and I'm gonna create a different video trying them on, so you'll see if there are some colors that you would consider for yourself. And I received total of 8 gifts with purchases. Oh my gosh, that's really the most gifts with purchase I received in the longest time. And so let me know in the comment if you got the same gifts, and if you miss my previous video, make sure to subscribe and like this video as well, so that more Dior lovers could see it and enjoy the same perks. Thank you so much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I would love to spend 2025 with all of you Dior beauty lovers out there. Thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.